Okay, so being an Aussie, I'll admit it, I was fascinated by ice and snow growing on the car, dropping on it and melting off and all the rest of it. And one thing that I was really quite mesmerised by was just watching the snow accumulate on the car. Just have a look at this. It's a time lapse, so it happens really quick, but just watching the snow accumulate on the car, I found absolutely amazing. And look out for the tree right at the end. It's coming up now. You can see it creeping down the bonnet. I don't know about you, but I've just watched this over and over to watch it sliding down the window. And they're just accumulating, building up. See the tree coming down now? Just amazing. Here it is. I'll give you one more look through. And then I'll show you some other shots of another snowstorm we got up to after a night in Denver. But this is just fascinating to me to watch this do its bit, do its thing. And thanks for taking a minute and 30 seconds out of your day to watch this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. And enjoy these shots of my car. We got up one morning in Denver and there'd been a great big dump of snow. And as you can see, it was pretty full on. And took a bit of digging the car out. Just scraping it all by hand and then starting to scrape the window, but there was piles of it. And here, that shot, have a look at that shot there. That is actually the back door was frozen shut. And that's the tyre. As we pulled out to go and drive on the snowy streets, that's what the tyre looked like. That's an all-wheel drive BMW, and it drove around on the snow absolutely fine. I was astonished, but there you go. Some shots of accumulating snow and a bit of fun in the snow. Thanks for watching.